Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set multiple photos on lock screen on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the lock screen on your iPhone, then tap and hold on the lock screen. Now just enter your lock screen PIN. Now from here, just tap on the plus icon over here. Then select Photo Shuffle. And from here, you can either select an album on your iPhone and it will shuffle the photos of that album, or you can select Choose Photos manually. And from here, you can select photos from your gallery app. Now, once you select a few photos to set it on your lock screen, then tap on Done. Now, just tap on the three dots over here and select how you want to shuffle the photos on your lock screen. Now, if you select daily, it will shuffle the photos on your lock screen daily. And if you select hourly, it will shuffle the photos hourly. Now, if you select on lock, it will shuffle the photos each time you lock your iPhone. Now, if you select tap, it will shuffle the photos as you tap the lock screen. Now, I will select on tap, then select add. From here, just select set as wallpaper pair, then tap on the lock screen which we have created. Now, if we tap the lock screen of our iPhone, it will shuffle between the multiple photos which we have set on our lock screen. And this is how you can set multiple photos on lock screen on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.